It was just 9 days before Christmas, Wednesday the 16th of December 1914.
There is no place on this planet that was an industrial town that did not have its workers living next to its industry.
Whilst the population of Scarborough, Whitby and Hartlepool were waking up and starting to go about their day, the navy of the German Empire was approaching the coastline of these towns. I want to find an answer to why the navy failed to prevent these attacks.
So they had that information in the Admiralty.
They then did what the Royal Navy does. They went, come on then fellas, let's have a crack.
And he decided not to alert any of the ports on the East Coast.
I will learn how the Hartlepools responded to the attack and make comparisons between the three towns.
You dropped 100 mines and it was a very, very effective minefield. Arguably, a lot of people said probably the most effective minefield of the First World War.
Finally, I want to tell you about how the government used Scarborough in their propaganda campaign for enlistment. You know, after all these years studying and feeling part of their lives, you know, you learn so much about these people, and to be able to, you know, tell their story even today, it's just an absolute honour.